So hello friends, Somil is there from that side. He has attended our How to Master Trading Psychology webinar, and he is undergoing monthly mentorship program also. So what is his feedback? What he learned and how he is becoming profitable trader? So let us we understand and with his PNL also. Yes, Somil ji.
Yeah, hello, Anil. Thank you, first of all, for helping me out and taking out your time. Uh, it has been a great journey so far. Uh, all the things that you have uh, made me realize the mistakes that I was doing because of certain subconscious, hidden, embedded mindsets, or what
Rules.
should I say, my mindset, yeah, rules that I
Correct.
had made. So you have broken those shackles, and you have been a breath of fresh energy. And it's all I always feel so. That I have been made aware about things that I was not aware. So you have helped me in realizing the mistakes that I was doing, and that has obviously resulted into me being uh, a more energetic trader. At the same time, by energy I mean being able to trade fearlessly and execute my plans accordingly, and not worry about the profit much.
Okay.
Because if one executes their plan with strict risk management and the rules that you had given me to follow, and all the theories that you have taught so far, so they have reaped great. Yesterday I made 18K, as I shared earlier as well, and today, since the
Correct.
market was up and down, so it's around, I think, 6K today, 8K in one of the scripts
Okay.
in this. And let me just refresh the screen so that it's
Yes.
real. It's not. Uh,
Okay.
so it's 38 400 PE, and also in 38,300. My stop loss got hit, but that's okay. I don't care about it now, because I know what I'm doing during the day, and I have certain rules. If the stop loss gets hit, so be it. So, but that was my trade. But other than that, I think Anil is a great guy. He has great knowledge about the psychological stuff. I thought I knew a bit, but I have been completely proven wrong to me, which I don't mind, because it is helping me to become a better trader day by day. And my journey has just begun. I am looking forward uh, to have to the journey ahead, and I'm very excited. So thank you, Anil, for the encouragement and all the corrections that you have been doing all the way along. So yeah.
Thank you very much, Somil ji. And those trader who want to join our mentorship program, monthly mentorship program, this batch. So, what is your suggestion? Should they come?
Oh, sure. I mean, if I were if I were to suggest anyone, if they are struggling, because see, the thing is, we run after strategies and technicals and things. We follow it for certain time. It gives profit, and the next day, if it gives the loss, then we change that strategy, which is a very common thing for a novice trader. And that is not how you should be trading. Technicals is just 10 to 15%, and psychologically, how you should be handling yourself when you are placing the trade. See, uh, even a 12-year-old guy can, or a 12-year-old kid can place the trade, but that does not make him or her a trader. The thing is, you need to understand what you are doing and what goes into your mind during the trade and after the trade. So during the trade, you need to ensure that you allow the trade to you know pep to reveal itself, or should I say, to execute itself, to uh, fruitify. So what we do is we exit quickly when we are in profit, and we wait when we are when we are not in profit. So we shouldn't do that. And in order to understand yourself better, I think it would help you not just in trading, but overall in your life, to bring your energy levels to such a uh, just be positive. You feel positive about yourself, and when you feel positive about yourself, you have a certain mindset during trading, and then automatically everything just takes care of itself. So 80 to 90% part is psychological in trading. I have been
Correct.
trading. I think I should have uh, told this earlier, but I have been trading since 2016-17. So it's been around 5-6 years since I've been struggling, and I think Anil has been a great help so far. It's not been long; it's just been 3-4 days. But within those 3-4 days, it's been he has been really helping me all the way along with this psychology thing, because I have been making profits. I have even doubled my account. Let me just show that also, because I think it's important for people to understand my background.
Correct.
So I will just show people what I have made. Obviously, this account is does not have any money right now, but
Yes.
let me just why is it not opening up? Okay, now it is opening up. So I will show you the November. Anil ji, I think you also have not seen this.
Yes.
So let me just show you what I was able to achieve in November. November 1st.
So see, guys. Meanwhile, he is navigating to the required page. So he sees how psychology will improve your trade and how he is becoming profitable. And see, more than that profitable, I would say consistent trader, consistently profitable trader.
So
He
as
can.
you can see, realized profit is 6,48,000. Okay.
See, correct. Good.
So you and this is my max raw loss and max profit here. So these are all my trades that I have taken in November.
So 71,000 is the max profit in one
Yes,
trade.
yes.
Correct.
I
Okay.
mean, there would have been many days, so it's cumulative
Its
of
quantity is 2,700 quantity.
yeah,
Correct.
over the November month.
Yes,
It's
yes,
it's a
yes.
single month. So for month, I traded and sold these many quantities. Maybe some 200 on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so like that.
Okay,
But
okay.
you can now understand my background. So let me just close it now. So it's not that I have not been making profit, and I have been making loss as well. So it's not like that. But the thing is, everyone wants to achieve consistency, and what I am seeking is consistency, and that's why I am I somehow, I don't know, I came across Sunil through a YouTube channel, his YouTube channel, and then I just attended one class on Sunday for 100 rupees or something, which I think is very less that he charges for an hour. I think it should be $1,000 minimum.
Thank you very
But
much.
anyways, so yeah, so as I said, 80 to 90% is psychological stuff, and if you want to achieve this consistency, then please, I would highly recommend him. Definitely, he should be uh, the part daily. You should have at least spend 15 to 20 minutes, if not more, with him. Maybe even on phone is nice. And he's not like, he's always approachable. Let me tell you that he's not like you know, other should I say so-called gurus. So he is completely approachable. He is pretty much open, and he has certain rules which he goes by. So he abides by them, and I respect that. So he's a great guy. So far it has been a pleasure interacting with him, and getting to know him as a person as well. So yeah.
Good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Somilji. So for our subscriber, just tell how many lots you traded today for achieving profit of 6 to 7,000 today and yesterday 18,000. How many lots you traded in option buying for especially in bank Nifty?
Well, yesterday, since you have made a rule of 100 quantities, so all the trades that I traded were only for 100 quantities or less.
Okay.
And today as well, it was 100 quantities as well. That's why when the trade went on my side, it was really great. I had to average once because of the stop loss, because I knew that the stop loss hunting was going on. So I knew that if I average it, it will come down to my price. So I did that. So that's so I mean that's just the trading style. So it has got nothing to do with the rule. But 100 quantities is what you have told me, and also to be on this to be with in front of the system for 1 hour. So that is also being followed. I hope I can do that. So
excellent.
Otherwise, we have certain rules, I know.
So how much capital you required to buy an 100 quantity?
50 to 60K. So,
yes, so
I have more than that in my account, but 50 to 60K is enough for 100 quantity. But if you want to, if you go to a restaurant and just quoting an example, and if you eat 2 pizzas the next day, what will happen? So you need to understand that not much capital, or not by trading with high quantity, it will not make you profitable. What will make you profitable is being consistent over a period of time, taking n number of trades and making sure you follow the risk management perfectly with discipline.
Okay. Thank you very much for guiding to our subscribers and newcomers, and hope they will join, and we will include them in the same batch. I am requesting to everyone, please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the Trading Direction. All the best. See you in the next video.